Hello, my wonderful AP students. I have to be honest, I miss you already. I hope you're doing well. Be safe and happy, healthy. Everything's going to be okay. I have a little video just to give you an outline of what we're going to do during this soft close and then a few logistics that I need to share with you. So let's look at the outline. You're going to have something due on the 19th, so that is going to be this Thursday. You're going to have 3 days on the agenda. It'll be the 19th, 24th, and 26th. On the 19th, here's the big goal. You are going to finish all the questions in that 500 questions to a 5-book. You're also going to review, this will help you, review for the chapter 20 test. So this day, really honestly, is mostly homework. I do have a small 4-minute video for you to watch on Gibbs free energy married with equilibrium. Really easy, super easy, beautiful formula. You'll love it. Then on the 24th, this is going to be Tuesday, you're going to take the chapter 20 test. Now you'll notice on both of these days that I make some recommendations. The district has asked that we only give 40 minutes of homework a night. So that includes all instruction, all homework, and you and I know very well that in AP Chemistry you do way more than that. So I've tried to keep it at about 40 minutes a day for you. It will not cover everything, honestly, that I feel you need. And so I've put the essentials as what's due, and then I've given some optional things. Keyword, optional. If you want to do them, you can, but you by no means have to. Things like preparing a summary, doing test corrections, but you'll see those options. I also have a couple of videos for you to watch for the labs. You'll notice in this that we're reviewing, finishing that book, taking 2 tests. The 2 labs that we had anticipated doing, they're gone. So I've included the videos if you would like to just watch the videos, but again, that's optional. Now the very last day is going to be the 3rd term final exam. This is your first comprehensive final. I strongly recommend review, review, review. Go through all of your notes, watch videos, go through your summaries. Now on these tests, I'm trusting you, and I genuinely do trust you. Do the test just like you would here. It has all the information for the minutes on multiple choice, the minutes on the FRQ, and it's the same drill. Periodic table, calculator for the FRQ only, scratch paper. I will give you the zip grade when you come in and pick up your tests. But I trust you to take the test just like you would here. I don't know if I said AP reference as well. And then, spring break. So spring break is going to be Saturday the 28th through Sunday, April 5th. You'll recall in December, I gave you Christmas break. I said no homework, 0 homework for Christmas break, but be prepared. You're going to have a homework assignment on spring break. It's going to take about 6 hours. You're going to do test corrections on the final exam. You're going to do your first AP, it's a 2013 test. You're going to do that test, multiple choice, FRQ test corrections, and then the book that you picked up, here it is, right here, this one, you're going to do a practice exam in this. And this will set us up really, really well moving into April to do all of our review. So allocate 6 hours of time for that spring break assignment. Now, while I'm on the topic of this, I need you to please come and visit me. I will be available, I should say the school is open. I'm here more than that, but the school is open to students between 8:30 and 12:30 Monday through Friday. Preferably, can you please come in Tuesday the 17th? If you did not get one of these books, I'll check out a book to you, and then I have an entire stack of not only these 2 tests, but some other practice tests just in case we go to an extended soft close or even a hard close, a lockdown. I have some other tests to send you. So I need you to please make one trip to the school. Now, if that's an issue at all, shoot me a text or send me an email, and I promise one way or another we'll get it worked out. If you can, please come pick up that information. Remember on these tests, I had asked you last week to please bring a 3-ring binder. So bring a 3-ring binder to house all of those tests. Thank you. Okay, so some logistics right here. Want to let you know that I am cutting off grades as of Friday. So I had all the grades updated on Friday. Please, please check your grade. Make sure that I haven't missed something. I had a couple of students that talked to me that were going to bring something this week, and here we are. If you need to still bring something to me, you can. You can also take pictures and email those to me, okay? But grades are cut off as of Friday the 13th, and if everything is right, that you've checked, I didn't make any mistakes, then the grade you see is the grade that you're going to get for third term. Let's see, so again, check your grades. Submissions will now be on Canvas, and you need to submit these as PDFs. If you need help doing that, of taking a picture and then making it a PDF, nuts and bolts, just really quick, you're going to download that picture and then you're going to copy it into a Word document. When you save the Word document, you choose to save it as a PDF. I will make a video for you in case you have a question on that. But all submissions will now be on Canvas, and I have that completely ready. Canvas is 100% ready for you. You are welcome to work ahead. I'm totally fine. This 6 hours right here, spring break, if you want to get that done before spring break, great, that's wonderful. But here's the deal. I don't want you to focus on working for completion. I want you to work for learning, okay? So that as you're doing all of this, as you're finishing off this homework, you're taking those 2 tests, possibly doing test corrections, working on this spring break assignment, you're asking yourself, do I understand? You predict, you justify, you push yourself, do I understand this? So I'm fine if you work ahead. You can submit any of this anytime, okay? You can submit it earlier than the actual due date, but make sure you're doing this for learning, not for I'm checking this off a list and I'm trying to get through it as fast as I possibly can. Remember, the goal is for you to learn chemistry and to pass that AP test. So do whatever it takes to learn chemistry so you pass that AP test. Just keep that in mind. Okay, little reminder, I did remove those 2 labs, so don't stress over that. Sorry if you already did the pre-write. If you have time, I do recommend go ahead and watch those videos, because there's a good chance you could see one of those labs on the test in May. Let's see, what did I put here? Oh, I will change the calendar on Canvas from 3rd term to 4th term on Friday the 20th, okay, on Friday the 20th. Now, for you to look ahead, I said, hey, I think you should probably look at those 3 agenda days. You can click on Pages, and you'll see the calendar. It's called 2019-2020 4th term calendar. You can click on that and it will populate the calendar if you'd like to look at it before I switch calendars on Friday. So just know I'm going to change the Canvas calendar on Friday. Here it is. When you pull up that calendar, take a look at the 3 agendas just to kind of get a bearing of what you're doing the next 2 weeks, actually next 3, including that spring break. And let's see here. Want to let you know, on the AP exam, I'm confident that we're still going to have the exam. Actually, I've received a couple of emails from AP. They've even gone as far as saying we might move the date, or we're looking at online options. So I feel great confidence that one way or another, you're going to be able to take the test. If you've been wondering that, I think we're going to be able to work it out no matter what happens in world circumstances, that you'll be able to take this test. Last thing that I want to share with you, Sir Isaac Newton. I think this is hugely encouraging. One of my daughters reminded me of this. He went through something similar. He also went through a quarantine, and it was when he was in school. So he went to the country to be safe from the sickness that had enveloped London. And it was in that quiet time, it was in that sequestered position that he discovered both gravity and came up with calculus. Pretty neat. So I want to encourage you. I know that this seems like a lot. Don't let it be overwhelming. You just take it one step at a time and you'll be able to work through it. Call me, text me, email me anytime. As long as it's before 9 o'clock at night, you're great. If you don't have my phone number, shoot me an email and I'll give you my phone number. I'd so much rather take 30 seconds, 2 minutes to answer a question for you over the phone or via text than for you to sit for a half hour and spin your wheels. So don't hesitate. I am here to help you, okay? We're going to do this together. You're going to be totally fine. No, I'm not worried. We're through all the content. We're going to review, we're going to work hard, and you will be ready for that test, and you're going to do great on the test. Now, even with this, okay, you're still going to have a lot of downtime. You're going to have a lot of quiet time. So can I encourage you, like Sir Isaac Newton, take this time to reflect. There's great value in dreaming. So let your brain unwind and rest. Let your heart and your spirit just relax. Everything's going to be okay, and dream. Think about the future. What do you want to do? And great things will come to you. So let this be a special season for you, even working through all of this, that it could be a quiet time that allows you to kind of vision cast of what you want to do in the future. Powerful things right there can happen. Know that I love you. If you need anything, contact me. I'm still here, still accessible. If you need to stop by, you're welcome to do that as well. So let me know if you need anything. You're going to be okay. In fact, you're going to do great. Thanks so much. Bye.